Protective footwear can be big, bulky, and built for protection, not comfort. Airfeet Technologies brings you unmatched results with our ergonomic designs focused on reducing fatigue-related accidents and increased comfort, fitting perfectly into personal, protective, or work footwear. Contoured and flexible to fit precisely into any type of shoe and taking up next to no additional room, and no custom fitting. Focus on your job, not your feet, with Airfeet dynamic ergonomic insoles. Get serious. Get Airfeet. MyAirfeet.com.